So here I have plantain. I bought this plantain when it was very unripe. Wow, my plantain is getting ripe. I can see it from here. So I actually got this plantain when it was very much unripe. So I decided to put it in nylon, this poly bag, and now I can see, ta-da! Wow, it's really doing so well. So we have some ripe ones already, and I like eating my plantain when it's very ripe, you know. So we still have these ones trying to get ripe, but then we have about these three. Yay! This three is already ripe, but I'll still leave it for, I'll leave this three for like one more day. Let me see if it will ripe more than this one. I like it. This one is still a bit hard. You can see some of the green part is still hard. This one too is still very hard, but this one is very much ready to, you know, for frying. But I'll just keep everything inside here for one more day, or let's say 2 more days. Let me see if all of them will get ripe so I can fry enough plantain for the family. Thank you guys for watching this video. So this is just to show you guys my plantain. I'm super excited because we don't always get plantain, you know, in this part. Which part of the world? So in this Japan, we don't always get plantain like that. So whenever I find plantain, oh my god, I'm always super excited. So I'm going to leave it for, let's say, 2 more days. So this one will be very soft, and the others will take the time to get ripe. Okay guys, so thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys like plantain like me. See you all in my next video. Bye. This way, if you want your plantain to get ripe, just put it inside a bag like this and it will get ripe. So I learned this a long time ago. Before, if I buy unripe plantain, I'll just drop it on the floor, my kitchen floor, and I tell you it will take almost forever before it gets ripe. So this way is the fastest way to make your plantain get ripe, so you can have delicious, yummy, soft plantain. Okay guys, so thank you for watching this video, and see you all in the comment section as well as my next video. Please like, support my YouTube channel and subscribe. Catch you all in my next video.
The very next day.